What's up, everyone? Welcome back. If you haven't been keeping up with the latest PS4 jailbreak news, here's a quick update on the current situation for firmware versions 13.02 through 13.50. Before we begin, it's important to point out that this is not a jailbreak release. However, there has been some encouraging progress behind the scenes that's worth talking about. Recently, developer Mastermind shared an update about the BDJ exploit research on PS4 firmware 13.50. According to the latest information, the BDJ exploit path appears to go further than previously believed. Even more interesting, the team has successfully achieved an elevated Java runtime execution path during testing. If that sounds too technical, here's the simple version. The developers are continuing to investigate the Blu-ray exploit method, and their latest testing shows that the exploit can create a new protected execution environment with elevated privileges while successfully escaping the sandbox. Why does that matter? Escaping the sandbox is a significant milestone in exploit research because it demonstrates that the exploit is gaining more control over the system than before. That said, there's still an important limitation. The command execution isn't reliable yet. While the exploit is working in certain situations, it isn't stable enough for practical use. Until developers achieve consistent and dependable execution, this research won't result in a usable jailbreak. Even so, this is still positive news. It confirms that development is continuing and that researchers are making steady progress instead of standing still. Mastermind also mentioned that he's now working alongside a tester with the necessary hardware set up to verify each discovery before making any major announcements. That's a good approach because it helps avoid false expectations and ensures that any future updates are backed by proper testing. So, what should you do right now? If your PS4 is already running firmware 10.50 or below, stay on your current version. Don't update your console, keep automatic updates disabled, and continue to be patient while development progresses. Although there's no public jailbreak for firmware 13.02 through 13.50 yet, the latest research is one of the most promising updates we've seen in quite some time. If you'd like to stay informed about future PS4 jailbreak news and developments, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.